We make the strings louder.
ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೋಲೋ ಇದೆ, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಪೋಲೋ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಪೋಲೋ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್, ರೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಯಾರ್ಡ್ ಥರ ಇಲ್ವಾ ವೋಲ್ಕ್ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಗನ್ ಪೋಲೋದು?
Let it be 2 members per car.
ಇವರೇ ಬಾಸ್.
Hello guys, so we are officially launching our clubs, Volkswagen Club Karnataka.
Yeah bro.
Hello everyone. My name is Akhil. I have driven for 500 kilometers just to be here. It feels good to meet everyone, and let's make it a successful event. Yeah, thank you.
Like how many kilometers driven, bro?
500.
No, like total your car.
Yes. Total it will be 1,000 kilometers two-way.
Okay.
Really feels good to be here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, I am Wasim Ahmed, owning a lavish blue polo. This is upgraded to 9J tires, 17 inches, and fully upgraded with the damping and the woofer, everything.
Okay. How many kilometers driven, bro?
It is 15,000 driven.
Okay.
Completely stock.
Okay.
Now planning to upgrade to stage 2 and exhaust system.
Okay.
Full system.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Nachiket. It was nice being at this event. This is my first meetup. Hoping for many more meetups in this time. Thanks.
Sure. Thank you, bro.
Hello guys, my name is Mayank. So I'm a new member of the Volkswagen Club Karnataka. So this is my car, a 2017 Polo GT TSI. It's ran around 30,000 kilometers. Only I have driven it for 30,000 kilometers.
Hello guys, I'm Benjamin. This is my 2021 Polo 1 liter TSI. It's driven around 2,500 kilometers and it's a fairly new vehicle. So I'm very happy to be a part of this club. Thank you.
So I'm Panish and this is my car. I purchased this in April 2021. So I've driven around close to 8,000 kilometers. It's been a great experience. Polo, as you also know, it's great in handling. So I joined this club, very happy that we have a club here in Bangalore. Looking forward to good experiences. Thank you.
Okay, bro.
Hi, I am Sos. I am from Maneka. It is a 21 model Polo Island Plus. So I am happy to make this meetup. I have driven from Chikmagalur yesterday. I reached night for this meetup purpose and I came here. I have great amazing experience in this meetup.
Thank you, bro.
Start. Myself, Tushar. First time ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ Volkswagen ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬ್ರೋ.
ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Good morning, Volkswagen friends. Myself, Sanat Kumar, my friend Enosh. Wish you happy new year 2022. We are happy to this VW Club, which has been started since last year 2021, and we are part of it. And we thank each and every members who made this event successful and memorable. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you.
Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Super. Hello guys, I'm Babu Antony. So this is a 2021 Polo GT TSI 1 liter. It's been a dream to for me to get a Polo, and finally I got it this year. And right after I got it, I got to be a member of the Volkswagen Club Karnataka as well. It's a great club. Great to be a part of this. Thank you.
And he's a YouTuber too. Bro, your channel name?
Pilot on Wheels.
Okay. Do
Please
subscribe.
Hi, and we have modified the car. It's completely aftermarket bumper, side skirt, rear diffuser, and wing, and everything is stock. And based on that, the wheels are different. We have some upgraded wheels. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ritesh. I'm from JP Nagar, Bangalore. So this is my Polo GT TSI. So I've changed the carbon fiber hood, then Harlan grill, fan skirts, then Audi style lights,
Okay.
then side skirts.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, then I've put Goodyear in my tires,
Okay.
white walling. And I've put diffuser,
Okay.
then C-class tail lights,
Okay.
then custom exhaust tip, and Gartonic, stage 2 everything.
So tell about your group experience, bro.
It's damn good, bro. It's the first time coming in Polo group. It's damn nice.
How's the members?
Everyone are good, bro. Everyone are chill.
Thank you.
Myself Mahesh, and it's Polo GT 1.2. I bought it like 1 month ago, and it comes with like custom headlight, steering carbon. Group, yeah, I joined like 1 month ago.
Okay.
I'm loving this group.
Thank you.
That's it, bro.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.